Try again. Okay, try to get your wrist.
Let's see.
So I can't figure this out.
Ooh, she made a second. Okay,
No, you can't touch the black.
Oh, okay. That's the object?
Yeah.
So yeah, you have to go like slow.
Nobody ever beat this game. I got to level 4, that's it. You guys suck. Uh-oh.
I feel like I'm driving. I know. I'm sorry, I can't even get it. It's like...
That's slow, Liz. Come on.
And then get on it.
No, she has to do it right.
Anybody can beat that one.
No, because what?
4th level, you have to go to 2 mazes at once. Alright, gosh.
What is it? Play this game.
This mouse is stuck.
Oh, stupid mouse.
Ooh. It's stuck. What's it stuck on?
I don't know. Is it stuck?
It's the cord is stuck.
Oh, it's in the back. Okay, that's as far as it goes, I think.
Everybody else.
I think you hit it.
No, just let her. She's almost wait.
Oh, this is a hard part. Shut up.
Oh God.
You can do it. You can do it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, alright.
This is the hardest one right here. She's not gonna get it. Anybody want to bet some money?
That little thing.
Bet some money?
It gets skinnier.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking God.
Oh, crap.
It can be done. There you go. There you go. There you go.
No.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, when you go to that part, that's the hardest part.
Yeah.
Slow, so
I know, it's like all slow.
You guys have to be quiet because like.
Yeah, everybody be quiet.
Shut up.
What? Oh my God, I can't believe it.